We're going to Genki Sushi. It is like this sushi. It's this sushi place that is supposed to be fun or something. There's like trains or conveyor belts or I don't know. Let's find out.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Typical.
The next day.
So on our way to Genki Sushi last night, BREE decided to throw up all over the car.
Oh, girl.
Oh my god. Oh.
Why are you getting close up? Sorry.
While BREE is cleaning the puke off of the car, I would like to welcome you guys to episode 17 of the Haole vlog.
This is not funny.
BREE's feeling a little bit better today, so we're gonna go to the beach. We're at the beach. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit. It's a little bit cooler today, but it's still nice, still good, still Hawaii. I think after we hang out here for a couple hours, we're gonna go and try Genki Sushi again. Hopefully BREE doesn't vomit this time.
Except I will because his breath stinks.
She's so rude.
You're rude. You're literally so rude when I was puking.
Alright, we're at Genki Sushi. I think that's how you say it, I don't know. But you order your sushi on this tablet right here, and then it comes out on this train thing over here.
Got some sushi rolls.
So we got some edamame, and then we got some sushi rolls. We got avocado and cucumber rolls. And I got some California tempura rolls, tiger roll. But yeah, this place is pretty cool. Cool. Oh, so cool. It's so bright right here with this fence.
I'm really hungry. And let's go because I can't wait.
Okay, hold on.
I don't know.
Oh, BREE's hangry. We're going to Leonard's Bakery. It's kind of an iconic little bakery here in Honolulu. We haven't been there yet, but we've heard it's really good. So let's go check it out. Okay, we got our Leonard's Bakery. That place was crazy in there. I tried to film it, but it was just, it was so small and there's so many people in there. But BREE got a, what did you get?
Chocolate chip muffin.
BREE got a chocolate chip muffin, and then I got, well, this thing is like a Portuguese hot dog wrap. I don't know what that is yet. And then I got these malsada things, which are like these, I thought they were small. Did you already eat one?
Yeah.
They're like these, can you see that? I don't know if you can even see that. They're these big puff things like donuts, I think. Can you see that? Those are cinnamon sugar, and then these ones are chocolate.
Tastes delicious. Let's go.
God, BREE is in a mood today. She's so hangry, I think. But
that stinks.
I think it smells good. It just smells like a hot dog.
What?
That's good.
It smells so bad.
It tastes delicious.
Oh my god, that smells like
I think it smells good and it tastes good. Oh God.
You did it to yourself.
Oh, next. Oh my God.
Smells better.
No, it doesn't. I feel bad because there's so many good places to eat here in Honolulu, and we just don't eat out that much. We eat out like once a week, but like there's just so many good places that we haven't been to yet. It's just expensive, and that's for 2 broke college kids. It's tough to eat out all the time, but we try.
I'm not broke.
Why don't you buy dinner?
You're the guy.
Sexist.
You're sexist.
Oh damn. It's hot, but it's good. It almost tastes like a oh, from Olive Garden.
Yeah.
Zopapia? Well, in Hawaii they're called malasadas. Okay, you're probably sick of watching us eat, so next. So Bath and Body Works is having a candle sale. Is it candles? Mm-hmm. They're having a candles and soap deal today. Naturally, BREE must go to Bath and Body Works, so that's where we're heading now. Well, BREE just broke the bank. She has a serious shopping addiction, and being like a 5-minute walk or like a 5-minute drive away from basically every shopping, or what? From basically every possible store you could think of. That's not a good combination. Also, we are almost to 200 subscribers. We're like 20 away. So make sure you guys subscribe. And those who have, thank you. We appreciate it. We'll see you next week. Thanks for tuning in every week. It's been fun. We still got more fun things to do. So see you next time.